I'm Danielle Maya, and I, along with two other women, run a construction law firm here in Colorado. We serve the construction needs of the small business issues that come up, whether it be employment, OSHA, contracts, construction defect disputes. During Zero Failures, I come and talk about what they can do to kind of use the law to their advantage, and that can range from how to properly make sure that you've set up a business, registrations in various states, and particular things to make sure that they include in their contracts, how to better run their business, and from my side of things, the legal protections that they need to make sure that they're incorporating on the front end of things so that they don't get caught needing attorneys on the back end of things. It's always a lot less expensive if you do an ounce of prevention versus trying to fix something on the backside. Number one, they get to come and hang out at SASHCO's amazing facility, but the courses that they provide are invaluable for their business.